Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off alarm on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, turning off an alarm prevents it from going off unexpectedly and disturbing you or others around you. This is especially important in quiet environments like meetings, libraries, or while sleeping. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, open the clock app on your device. Next, navigate to the Alarm tab. And here you will see a list of all the alarms that are currently active. So, to turn off an alarm, simply tap the toggle switch next to it. And the switch should change to indicate that the alarm is now off. And if you no longer need a particular alarm and wish to delete it, press and hold the alarm you want to remove. After that, an option to delete the alarm will appear, so select delete to remove the alarm from your list. Okay, by following these steps, you can easily manage your alarms, turning them off or deleting them as needed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off alarm on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.